Are you looking? As more home cooks and meat enthusiasts take charge of their own food prep, the demand for electric meat grinders has grown exponentially. These powerful kitchen tools save time, offer fresher results, and allow users to control the quality and cuts of meat. Whether you're a sausage maker, burger lover, or just tired of store-bought ground meat, this lists on TurboForce 3000 Series 6-in-1 electric meat grinder. The TurboForce 3000 series is a high-powered, multifunctional grinder that's ideal for serious meat processing at home. With a 3000W max-locked motor, 3 speeds, and a convenient foot pedal, this grinder delivers on both performance and user control. The 6-in-1 system includes 5 grinding plates, 3 sausage stuffing tubes, a cubby maker, and even a meat shredder. Its sturdy build and oversized tray make large meat batches manageable, and it's great for families or bulk meat prep. While a bit bulky, its power justifies the size. The foot pedal is especially useful for hands-free operation. List Cuisinart Electric Meat Grinder, stainless steel. From a trusted kitchen brand, the Cuisinart Electric Meat Grinder offers sleek design and dependable performance. With 300 watts of power, up to 500 watts peak, it's not the most powerful, but it gets the job done efficiently for small to medium tasks. It includes 2 grinding plates, fine and coarse, and comes with sausage and kibba attachments. The stainless steel housing adds a premium feel, and cleanup is a breeze. Its compact design makes it easy to store, perfect for occasional meat grinding. While it might not handle heavy-duty grinding, it's more than capable for home cooks who grind occasionally. List 3. Aobozy Meat Grinder Electric 3000 Watt Max with Touch Color Screen. If you're looking for cutting-edge design paired with muscle, the Aobozy 3000 Watt Meat Grinder fits the bill. What sets this model apart is its touchscreen display, which feels modern and intuitive. It features 3 speed settings, auto reverse, and built-in accessory storage, making it both high-tech and convenient. The motor is powerful enough to tackle large batches, while the reverse function helps clear blockages. The build quality is solid, and the grinder feels like a professional-grade tool. It's also quieter than many competitors, which is a pleasant bonus. List number: Electric Meat Grinder Sausage Stuffer, 3200 watts. This 3200 watt max electric meat grinder is a beast designed for heavy-duty users. With a rugged metal body and 3 stainless steel plates, 2 blades, and 3 sausage tubes, it's built for serious performance. Its 3-speed control and reverse function allow for smoother operation, and it handles both coarse and fine grinding with ease. This grinder is great for families who cook in bulk or those who regularly make sausages or pet food. Despite its strength, it runs relatively quietly and doesn't overheat with prolonged use. The parts are detachable, making cleaning manageable. A solid investment for meat lovers. List number: Geniza Food Processors with Meat Grinder and Vegetable Chopper. For users looking for an all-in-one solution, the Geniza electric food processor offers excellent multifunctionality. Unlike dedicated meat grinders, this appliance includes 2 bowls, 1 for meat, 1 for veggies, and can chop, mince, and grind. It's perfect for light meat processing, especially poultry or soft cuts, and excels at prepping vegetables and herbs. With 2 speeds and sharp stainless blades, it's incredibly efficient for quick kitchen tasks. Though it doesn't offer sausage stuffing or kube attachments, its compact size and versatility make it a favorite for small households or beginners.